Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be cutting my passion twists and making them shorter because I've had these in for a month and they did what they were supposed to do, and now it's time to get the boots. Bars.
Okay.
They're uneven, but whatever. So I'm just adding some rubber bands to the end. Mind my nails, y'all. My daughter painted them, so that's that. Whatever. I know I've been MIA and I have my reasonings behind that, okay? So it was my birthday as well as my daughter's birthday this month, so that's where I've been. I've been celebrating my birthday and my daughter's birthday. I think it looks cute. A little short look is a vibe, hopefully. But y'all, I feel like, I'm not sure if it was the hair or what, but honestly I feel like these passion twists, these were like honestly the worst set that I've done, because I feel like it didn't last that long. Like, they were in for a month and I promise you it feels, and I redid the top like last week, and please tell me, where does it look like it? Absolutely not. Like, my hair is super frizzy. I'm not sure if it's the weather or what, but I don't like it. And it was, I don't know. Oh, okay. So I think this is gonna be the style that I go with.
Good. Oh, you're so cute.
No thanks.
What are you doing the big one?
So far it looks so cute. Now I need to do my makeup. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera because I needed to focus. So first things first, I already moisturized my face, so I'm going in with the Fenty Refreshing Mist first, and then I'm going to go in with the Fenty foundation in the shade 450. I think the shade is a little too orange or red for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend out this foundation using the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I'm not really sure the exact name of the sponge, but yeah, and it is a little damp. That's why it looks so large. But anyway, I'm just blending out this concealer, and y'all, it looks so orange. Oh my god! But it all came together in the end, I promise. Alright, so I think this may be a little too dark for me, but then again, this is just the beginning, so it may oxidize and be lighter, but right now I look like a Oompa Loompa. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is good. I hope it blends or oxidizes and matches my skin, but overall the coverage is immaculate. Alright, so now I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just going underneath my eyes, down my nose, on my mustache area, my forehead, and then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut as well, just because it's a little darker and it kind of toned down toned down the e.l.f. concealer. So yeah, I just used that to blend it out. To tone it down, and then I'm using my Sonia Kashuk sponge to blend it all out. And then to set all of the places that I concealed, I'm going in with Honey Alright, so now I'm going in with the Jackie Aina Anastasia palette, and I'm going to use the shade Edges, and I'm going to use that in like my crease area. And I'm just using this small like elf brush. I'm not really sure what the name of it is. I don't even think it has a number or anything. It's just a small little elf brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go and take Credit, and I'm going to put that like all over my lid and blend that out. But I'm also going in with Edges and blending that out too, just to keep that color like in the crease area, but mainly focusing Credit on like the lid area. I think you can see what I'm doing or trying to do. See, that's the eyes. It's kind of like this cool little, I don't know, but I like the way that it came together. So now I'm going to take Soleil and I'm going to put that in my inner, I was feeling myself, y'all. I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct area, and that just did it for me, okay? That was the vibe. So yeah, I love that color. So yeah, the eyes are done, and now I'm just being silly. So yeah, now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 360 Mocha, but I'm really using like a light hand. And then I'm going to go in with Mocha Mommy, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose and bronze my face. And I really like this bronzer. I really did. So yeah. And then I'm going to go back in with my powder just to clean up the bronzer a little bit so it won't look so messy, just to give it that little sharp, little crisp vibe. And now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is in the shade, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And then I also went in with the Better Than Sex mascara too. So yeah, I'm just applying some mascara. And now I'm just lining my waterline with the Revlon eyeliner, the gel eyeliner. Y'all, I honestly hate lining my waterline. Like, that's my least favorite. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline, it's like I think it's like an eyeliner for like wings and stuff, but I'm using that to apply some faux mauve. So yeah. And then I'm going to go in with the Ginger Snap by Black Radiance and just highlight the face. And yeah, we're almost done. And then after I apply this highlighter, I'm going to go in with some mascara on my bottom lashes. And for the lips, I'm using the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Uniformly Fabulous, I believe. The sticker on the bottom isn't there anymore, or it could be High Drama, but I believe that this is definitely Uniformly Fabulous. So yeah, we're just going to apply the lips. And I absolutely love this color. I feel like it brought the look all together, and it's really fall-y, vampy. So yeah, I really love this color. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, this is just a cute little fall vampy get ready with me. But guys, enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, to shout out to all of my new subscribers, y'all. I really and truly appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I promise I'm going to get out more content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any video recommendations, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I will be sure to execute. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.